Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own photos. For example, if you have a very unique name and you can't find it on Google and you want your name, like a picture with your name on it, you clicked on the right video. So yeah, you can take different pictures and put them together. You can text on photos. This is an app I usually use. So you want to go to the App Store and search an app called Phonto. And it's this one right here. It has it's red with a P and then a pencil on it right here. So you have to download that. Mine's already downloaded, so I'm just going to go open it. So now this is the app. You want to click on the camera down here, and you can either take a photo, choose from your photo albums, or use a image which they have. They have their own images. They're very cool. Some of them are locked. I usually like using where is it? Yeah, these two right here. This bluish and yellow one and pink and yellow one, but I'm going to use the blue one for this video. So you want to click that button, the arrow in a box, and then click use. Then you want to click anywhere and click add text. So now they have these many different fonts. On mine, they were all none of them were locked, so that was just when I bought it. So I'm going to use this font. You can put in the center, to the right, to the left, so yeah. You can size it out. You could, for example, if you made a mistake on writing, so you can go back, click text and go back. You can change the color by clicking style. So there's many different colors they have. I'm going to go for purple. Now stroke is the outline, basically the outline. It's black, and background is I'll show you that later. You can tilt it, you could curve it. It's better with long words, the short word. Well, it's not even a word, it's an acronym. It's better for words. You could move it around. You can, size it out. Did I already say that? And now I'm going to tell you guys the background. So you go to background, it's just the back color of it. So you could it's just your imagination, whatever you want to do. So now you could add another text. You could add emojis. Of course, you could add emojis. Yeah. You could size them out, but the thing is that you can't color them. If you try to color them, you just can't. You can just move them out, tilt them. Yeah, you could size them. Yeah. There's this very cool font called Font Awesome. So, look, it's not even letters. It has, so many of these cool, things. I don't know what they are, but, kind of like emojis, but, they're just so cute. I like using them sometimes. So this is also, it's also good. They have, a million. You could color these, do everything with them. Now if you click on these three lines at on the bottom left-hand corner, you could click on Add Item. Over here they have many different types of stickers. For example, if I click on that one, cancel down, you can choose, for example, there's a thumbs up, so you can change the thing. But I'm going to change it back to a thumbs up. Oh my god, where is it? Oh yeah, there it is. And you want to click done. You can move it around, you could size it, do whatever you want with it. Now, add items, they have many different stickers, cool stickers. They have speech bubbles, they have these banner type of things. So I'm just decorating this so much, but I'm just saying that this app is very cool. You could write your name and do whatever you want. I just wrote LOL, but just use whatever comes in your mind. So I'm just doing this. I'm just doing a quick picture just for the video. So it has all these cool features. You could get shapes. You could get these cool type of things. And you could also add an image, like from your photo album. Just click add image on those three things. And to save it to your photo library, you want to click on the bottom right hand corner, there's like a arrow in a box, and you want to click save image or save image as PNG, and then it will say that it saves successfully. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.